Hello guys, here's the great day. So we have the Raspberry Pi drone, we have the controller, so Taranis, we have the PC for ground station, and some cables and some pails in case of crash, and tools. So we are going to move to the point. So it's a good spot for test autonomous drone. So I'm going to say you in a second. So here is the plan. We are going to the campaign, the French campaign, for test this drone. We have like 15 minutes for make it, so I'll see you later. We just arrived in the mission point. There is a lot of bushes, like you can see here too. I can see here a good land for making a mission test. So I'm going to this point and we're going to see. I see a good place to move here. So I close the door. Yes, okay, let's go. So with the drone in the hand, we go to the adventure. Yeah, good sun, good car. Let's go. Okay, so I found a good place here. I didn't expect there was a wall of tree on the right side. I wanted to make a big mission, go to this place, but I'm going to stay here. I'm going to make a mission far in this place, but not too much for in case of a crash. I'm not blocked by all these trees. So here is the ground station. Here's the drone, the Raspberry Pi, the modem. So he's catching network. I'm getting good 4G on my phone, and so I just connected on USB in order to make waypoints. So I go to plan. Sorry for the sun on the screen. So here is the drone. So here is the home. I'm going to put it here. Yeah. Sorry. So we are going to make some waypoints. So here we are. I did a small mission, like in the field. You can see. I connected the PC to the Wi-Fi on my phone, and I connected the drone on the modem. And as you can see, we are connected. So I can get some telemetry here. I can test to arm it. Let's test. Arm. Yeah, it's spinning. Nice. So now we are going to launch the mission. I just want to make sure everything is good setup on the flight controller, like the flight modes, if I want pause, hold or loiter. Actually, I didn't recommend loiter because I don't know why, but my drone is moving very strange when I put loiter mode, so I want to change it, and we will see how it reacts. So I activate the joystick on mission planner. As you can see, I can control. So I need to reverse this one for control the flight modes, and now we are going to flight modes, and we are checking. So it's guided. Here's land. So I want to change loiter. I want to make
A few moments later.
Let's go. We need to arm the...
Arm auto mode not armable.
Okay, so I need to make a close hold. Let's go for auto mode. Let's go, baby. Yeah. Pretty beautiful. So it's reaching the 50 meters altitude, and it's moving on after that. Let's go. Moving for the first mission point. I cannot catch it. I definitely cannot catch it. But it's running very good. Very, very good. Can I catch it? It's coming back, it's coming back. It's coming for us. So now it's going to land here, I hope. It's just on the top of us. So it's landing, it's landing. Yeah, baby. It's more working so smooth, so smooth. I love it. I really love it. Yeah, land, baby, land. Yoo-hoo! Yeah, the land almost crashed, but everything is okay. I'm so happy, guys. I'm so happy. The Raspberry is okay. The modem is okay. We had one pail broken with landing too. So one is dead, but others look like good. So it was a very good flight. Next days I will try more far waypoints and high altitude, like 100 meters. And after that we will try it in the city, like a surveillance mission. So just stay connected. I forgot to tell you, but just if you have any question, just put it in comment. I will be very happy to reply you, to explain you. Follow me for the notice about future videos. If you like this video, don't forget to like it. See you.